We are here in Miami, another travel vlog with my girls. Jasmine over here, weighing at 125.
Actually 27. Let's go with 20
inches
30
on 30. All right, then we have Shania over here, weighing in on 100 and
I used to be 30, but I lost weight, so
inches. Bob.
inches 10.
Right. Cheers. So we're waiting on Sean and Taylor. It's Sean's birthday too. So y'all know what's up. It has been a hectic morning. I almost missed the flight. Sean and them missed their damn flight. And
She left her lashes in the hookah. And the hookah.
left my lashes, the hookah, and shades. But it's okay. I'm meeting the lady to check in. They're at breakfast. I ordered my food and everything. It's another Miami trip. Miami is always cool. Always a lit and turn time. I'll just talk to y'all later.
20 minutes later.
I'm very grateful, but that was not what we paid for. And I'm sick of going places and it's not what I paid for. I said something to the lady. I was just like, I just wanted to bring that to your attention to see what's the explanation behind this. And she said, I guess those are old pictures. Maybe it's the same unit, different furniture. And I'm just looking like, no. So that's my issue. I'm just very upset, but Shania's calming me down. Wow. Y'all, we gotta go.
We could do a Bacardi for those drinks.
Yeah.
Or we could do a tequila. Maybe if we do like a margarita. Yeah, let's do a tequila. Let's do
We can do crown. That's legit. I stay on the Tito's.
You don't fuck with the crown?
Sarah?
The rock has a brown liquor and it hit. Every level. Like you see them levels over there in that building? The top floor.
Oh, that's pretty high. We're going on a run. Here is Sean today.
Liquor. Drink. Shot.
Beauty supply store too. You know what a liquor store at?
Missed our first flight, but we're still here in beautiful Miami. When we get around the corner, she's like, oh yeah, you just like a couple minutes short. I'm like, a couple minutes short of what? Like, what are you a couple minutes short from? I'm like, oh yeah, like if you was like here like a couple minutes ago, we just closed it out. So yeah. If you
She could have let y'all.
That's what I'm saying.
Wait, you had to pay a new flight?
A new flight. They don't have refunds, and the next flight they're trying to put me on was a 10 o'clock flight.
10 p.m.?
10 p.m.?
So we're going to the liquor store. We will be back. We are trying to get back to the hotel. And there was no opening. Okay, cool. Here's the bottles.
Bottle. Oh, fuck.
Now me, my whole coochie about to be out. Okay, we good. Just walk through right there. He just walked. It was an opening right there that whole time. All right, let's go.
I didn't even know because I only saw the side of her.
I honestly thought it was me too.
I only saw the side of her head.
I seen her shoes. That's why you always gotta look at how the baby dressed and not how the baby looks. It was a place that looked like that though.
Let's see. There's a hell of place to eat at the end.
New York, she don't smoke.
Okay.
So,
Okay. Let's go there.
This side there?
Yeah.
While we waiting on them, right?
Yeah.
We go upstairs. We go upstairs. Not with the regular pose.
Oh, Sean, look at this. Oh, Oh, it's somebody's birthday party. We gotta get the hell up out of here. Hey, hey. Over here, they done told me that they wanted to come over here. Both of them said that they didn't have their phones, so they went back over here. We from
And y'all already know that shit.
Go to our place first.
When she gets to our place, she gonna call the Uber, no?
No, she finna go to her place to get her clothes.
We're going out, and I wasn't really gonna go out first because I'm not feeling too good, but I'm gonna troop it out and come out.
I'm burnt, y'all. I'm burnt. This is the first time y'all will see me burnt in the vlog. This is the first out of many.
Probably because you're this window. Yeah, but it's yeah. I'm down to put a swimsuit on. I got a lot of swimsuits. I need to get some out the way.